Now, the recruitment practices of one school for the upcoming ISA Schoolboy Football competition has left one parent fuming. She has reportedly filed a complaint to the police. TVJ Sports understands that there is a standoff between two of the nation's prominent high schools over the recruitment of a player for the ISA Schoolboy Football competition. Sources say the matter has gotten so serious that the mother of the player has filed a complaint to the police. TVJ Sports has seen a copy of an incident report which was filed on Monday, July 10 at the Portmore police station, purported to be about the situation. In addition, it's understood that the student, who attends a prominent high school in Kingston, is being courted by a St. Catherine-based institution and is now in a pre-season camp with that school. Reports are that the student's mother was unaware of his whereabouts initially and gave no permission for her son to attend a pre-season football camp for the St. Catherine-based school. Upon ascertaining his whereabouts on Monday, the mother told her son to return home, but up to sports time on Saturday, he was yet to comply with her order. TVJ Sports understands that the principal and the team manager of the corporate area school are aware of the situation, but it is unclear what, if any, actions they are likely to take. Additionally, TVJ Sports understands that the parent of the student is set to make a follow-up report to the police on Saturday.